everybody. So in this session, we're going to talk about routing. Okay, routing in Laravel. Okay, this is one of the most important basic lessons basic lesson in Laravel. Okay, so if we go back to our VS Code editor, so we're gonna open our theme project that we have just created. Okay, and if you open it, you will see we have several folders and files. Okay, so you're gonna open this folder, okay, which is named roots. Okay, and if you click in this folder, we're gonna see we have a file named web.php. Okay, this is our file that we're gonna use everywhere that we're gonna do our project. Okay, our e-commerce web project. So our web e-commerce project, so let us click on web.php. Okay, so you can see we have a default route, okay, and which returns this page, okay, Laravel page. When we tap in our URL, okay, when we tap theme.test, okay, and we're gonna see this page, okay, this is the default URL, okay, and if you put slash theme.slash, okay, this is the default page. Okay, this is the default page. That means the slash means the default page. That means the home page. Okay, so you will see that we have root, get. Okay, we have first of all the root, and we have the gets. For example, with gets we can see that we have the type of information that we're gonna handle. Okay, in our case we are needed to view, okay, we need to view our information, okay, this welcome page. So reason why you can see that we have the get, okay, and in the next session we're going to talk about a post, okay, a post information. Okay, we're gonna see how we can post, how we can save, for example, data inside of our database. So then we're gonna use what we're gonna call about post. Okay, by now we use get. If for example we want to view something, we want to view a page, okay, in our browser, this is why we have put get. Okay, that means the type of information that we're gonna handle. Okay, this is our URL that we're gonna put after the name of our server name. Okay, our server name theme.test. So you're gonna put slash, okay, to view the default page, and after it you're gonna put this function. We're gonna say return view welcome. Okay, so what means return view welcome? That means you're gonna return us this page. This page is called welcome. Okay, so how to find this page in our Laravel project, in this default page? We're gonna come to the folder named resources. Okay, and if we click on this file, you will see that inside of the resources folder, okay, we're gonna find the views folder, and if we click on views folder, you're gonna see by default we're gonna have the welcome.blade.php. This is the Laravel file. Okay, and if you want to create a Laravel file, you have to put the name of your file, and you're gonna put the extension .blade.php. And if we click on web.blade.php, okay, we're gonna see the HTML code of our default Laravel page, okay, which is viewed in our browser. Okay, when we tap slash after the web.test. Okay, this is the default page called welcome.blade.php. Okay, so you can see that the importance of the roots. Okay, the importance of the roots, we're gonna put this URL. Okay, first of all we're gonna put the type of information we're gonna handle, and after it you're gonna put the URL. Okay, in our case for this page welcome.blade.php, we use slash. Okay, so you're gonna put your function, and you're gonna return view. Why view? Because view refers us to the views folder. Okay, and instead of the views folder we have the welcome.blade.php. Reason why you have this page here, welcome. And so if I come to the welcome.blade.php, if I make some changes, okay, if I say for example with documentation I'm gonna add for example something, okay, else, and let us come back to our browser, and if I refresh, if I reload, you're gonna see that I'm gonna have this information. Okay, 1111, and this is our default page. Okay, this is our default page, welcome.blade.php. Okay, in our project usually we're gonna use the several pages. Okay, we're gonna create our own pages. Okay, so we're gonna view it using our routes. Okay, which is included in our web.php. Okay, so reason why you can see that we have routes. Okay, we have this, we have the slash. Okay, we can change what to return. Okay, for example, let us comment this. Okay, let us comment this. Let us copy it. Let us copy it. Ctrl C, Ctrl V. So I want to return, for example, another thing. Okay, I can say I don't want to return a file which is included in the views folder. I'm gonna return directly something when I put slash in my like my URL. I'm gonna say, for example, hi. Okay, this is okay the most important. Okay, this is the most important Laravel project. Okay, this is the most important Laravel project. Okay, project. And if I go back to my browser, okay, by default, if I put slash, okay, the same thing if I remove. Okay, if I have fem.test, if I put slash, the same thing. And if I reload, you can see that I have here in hi. This is the most important Laravel project. Okay, so this is the importance of our routes. Okay, we can also put the HTML properties inside of our return. Okay, I can say, for example, if I want to put the h1 tag property, okay, I can say I want for example to display it with the h1 property. Okay, I'm gonna pass it inside here, and I'm gonna close my h1 tag. Okay, so let us go back. So we're gonna refresh. So you're gonna see that I've succeeded to view my test with the h1 property in my root file. Okay, so you're gonna see that it is very easy. It is very easy. So this is how you can view your different information using the route. Okay, so I think that it is very easy. So what we're gonna do, we can also do something. Okay, what we call about the dynamic route. Okay, so you're gonna understand very well in this part. Okay, what we call about dynamic route. Okay. Okay, so first of all, I can also before to talk about dynamic routes. Okay, let us go first of all here. We're gonna create another URL. Okay, the first is the default, and the second we're gonna say, for example, about. Okay, we're gonna create the about URL. Okay, I'm gonna say, for example, hi, this is the most important Laravel project in the about page. Okay, in the about page. Okay, I'm gonna also create, for example, another. I'm gonna call it, for example, services. Okay, you can create several routes. Okay, and in the services page. Okay, in the services page. Okay, in the services page. So let us go back. So we can refresh with the firm, and we can put what we have about. Okay, about, and if we type, you're gonna see that we have hi, this is the most important Laravel project in the about page. Okay, so you can put also services. Okay, to see for the services. So not found. Okay, so we have to put services. Okay, and we have to put, let us go back first here. Okay, you have to see to put the same thing that's what we have put here. We have made some mistake. We have to put services. Okay, so we're gonna say services. Okay, you're gonna see that we have succeeded to do it. Okay, this is how we can use our routes. Okay, and we're gonna meet to the next session. We're gonna continue with routes. Okay, we're gonna talk about what we call about the dynamic routes. Okay, so we're gonna meet to the next session. Goodbye.